shot as a member of Iloilo, and he missed it. Forward pass. JJ Espanola onto the spinning Danny Marilao.
And these are the things that is strong side.
Yeah. Good contest by Perumingan, and then it's all worth it as Danny Marilao scores to trim the lead down to 5.
Again, a big second quarter for the Iloilo Royals, scoring 27 points already.
Danny Marilao continues to have some answers in this game. Not only are they responsible for bringing basketball to Las Piñas, but how about this beautiful venue, Coach Louie?
Alam mo yan. Gusto lang ng coach nila right now is for them na makatapos ng laro kasi they're really doing wonders. Itong combination nitong apat na to, ni si Danny Marilao, si Tricky, si JJ Espanola, and Ubalde.
Oh, nice move by Danny Marilao. Now he has his tongue out. Oh, he was once upon a time a part of a Manila squad that reached the division finals as Danny Marilao scores on the break.
Because this guy is athletic. Alam mo yun, even at his age, still can run and jump and still can do great things for your team. Like this guy, si Danny Marilao.
Let me get to the numbers of Danny Marilao. He has 9 points, 5 rebounds.
Danny Marilao.
As this free throw is brought to you by Extreme Appliances, ang subok at kumpletong appliance brand ng Pilipinas. To your point, ang kailangan sa isang linggo.
Oo.
May 6 na uulit. Danny Marilao converts. It's a smaller lineup for them.
Oo. Hope it's not too late. Pero ako, alam ko, pakiramdam ko magkakaroon pa ng minute.
Back with Bacolod. Oh, great contest, but a nice finish by Danny Marilao.
Oo, 4-0 run now.
Counter on the end.
Tingnan mo pa lang yung shoes eh.
Tama.